What's going on, RestoMods? It's Mike here. We want to give a huge shout out to our friends at Forever Sharp. They came through again with this awesome wheel for our 1969 Camaro. This is RM12 and you could win this thing. So we went with the 14-inch Deep Dish Classic in black. This is a black wheel. It is basically a Chevrolet recreation. If you look at the current wheel, which we'll show you, it's basically the same layout of the wheel. This one is a little deeper set. It's gonna have that black face and that black leather on the actual wheel itself. So we're gonna throw this thing in your 1969 Camaro and see how it goes.
So I'm here to talk about a few tips and tricks if you want to replace your wheel in your car. Step one, make sure you choose a really nice, high quality wheel. We go with Forever Sharp. Really like their product. It installed really nice and they're super helpful. So they can help you out if you need to get the right adapter, which is a big thing. Depending on your car, there's different adapters out there. So make sure you look into that. Step two, I always recommend using a steering wheel puller. There's a couple different types out there. And if you don't have one, you can always rent one from your local auto parts store. They're happy to rent you one, usually free, as long as you bring it back. And the reason I recommend that is because there's a couple ways to get your old wheel off. I've seen a lot of guys that will manhandle it and yank it off. You want to be real careful because you could smash yourself in the face with the wheel. Definitely not a good thing to do. Tip three is always make sure your wheels are straight. Whenever you park your car before you start the job, you want to make sure your wheels are aligned. That way when you put the new wheel back on square, everything's lined up. You don't want to be going down the road with a wheel that's cocked over to the side. Tip four, and actually this should be tip one, but make sure you disconnect your battery. You got your horn in there, so you don't want those live wires shorting out on anything.
There we go, guys. That's all it takes to replace that old steering wheel with a brand new Forever Sharp steering wheel. It comes with your hub adapter, your center horn, and everything that you need to take your car from the original and bring it to the new with Forever Sharp. Thanks for hanging out. And if you guys want to win this 1969 Camaro, this is RM12. Head over to RestoMods.com. Join the RestoMods Car Club. $8.95 gets you entries, plus a ton of member benefits. Or you can head over to our shop, pick up a hat, a t-shirt, sweatshirt, tons of products in there. Everything gets you entries to win this car or $50,000 in cash. Thanks. Good luck.